This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. In myCouncil.java, declare and initialize an array list called myList to store decimal values. And guys, resources. Show me how. An array list is declared and initialized using the following syntax. And keep in mind, an array list is going to be a class itself. Let's see if we have it within our documentation. Array list, of course we do. And here it is categorized as a data structure, powerful data structure. And this is how it gets initialized. And this data structure is based, let me show you Oracle real quick, on a class. You can see how it's derived out of other Java tools. So let's go ahead and declare one using, well, their example. Now the data type, myList, decimal values. Okay, so a decimal value list. So a decimal value list is, of course, a double. Now, though, this is the trap. I'm going to do this wrong. Double. Now, you might think, wait a minute, why is this wrong? List name. Oh, well, what do they want? myList. All right. Well, let's use our documentation for exactly why this would be the wrong approach. This is a great idea. Well, one, spelling doubles right to better. This is a great idea, and it makes a lot of sense. But what I want to hit upon here is the array list, the type of data type it takes are only objects, right? An array list is resizable, and it's meant to have more functionality, but it doesn't take primitives. And a lowercase d is that primitive type. It's the type that's just binary. The value itself is only stored. It's the difference also between int and integer, right? The primitive type isn't what we need. We're going to use the wrapper class. We're going to use double, and that's the class that also has that added functionality, such as, x.compare2, all of that. So that's what an array list is for. It's not for primitive types. And that is looking good. Cool and cool. Let's see. No issues thus far, and I guess that's all we're doing. Onward.